Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate PayKickstart and Agile CRM. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new sale is created in PayKickstart, it will automatically add a contact in Agile CRM. Now PayKickstart is an awesome subscription billing software and Agile CRM is an excellent CRM tool. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from PayKickstart to Agile CRM. But there is one minor problem. There is actually no integration between PayKickstart and Agile CRM. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate PayKickstart and Agile CRM. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, Create Workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as PayKickstart to Agile CRM. PayKickstart to Agile CRM. Excellent. Then click on Create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, let's make it as PayKickstart. PayKickstart, okay. Now in the trigger event, it should be transaction sales. Okay, so what is transaction sales? Transaction sales is basically a trigger event. So now your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a transaction sales happen, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like fulfillment on hold, fulfillment order received, fulfillment on queue, and so on. Okay, all of them are bunch of triggers. So, however, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I just want to send the data when a sales happen or a transaction sales happens in PayKickstart. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is we are trying to integrate PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to PayKickstart. So this is my PayKickstart account and I'm going to go to this part called as campaigns. Click this and I'm going to select a product. So I'm going to integrate this product, t-shirt. Okay, so I'm going to click on this part, edit. Scroll down. Okay, so this is the edit page and at the bottom you will find the option called as integrations. Click this. Okay, so this is the integrations page. Scroll up and here you will find the IPN URL. So just click on this button, add. So when you click on this button add, you will find a blank called as the IPN URL. So we have to fill in the blank. So to get in the IPN URL, you just have to go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL or the IPN URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so now we have to set an event. So our event is basically transaction sales. Okay. So now we have entered the IPN URL. Also, we have set the event as transaction sales. Interesting. So now we have to just click on save. At the top, you will find the option save. Click this. So basically it means that this product has been integrated with Pabbly Connect. So this means anytime a transaction or sale happens for this product, Pabbly Connect will capture the data. But to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button, Capture Webhook Response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So how about we create a dummy sale in PayKickstart. So I'm going back to campaigns once more. And I'm going to click on this part and going to select the product. Okay, so we have already selected this product. So I'm going to click on the associated checkout link. So this is the checkout link. So I'm basically copying this and then I'm pasting it in the new tab. Okay, so we are going to fill in the details. So the name is, how about we keep it as 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, 𝗪𝗵𝘆 and what we entered. Okay, so this is the email 𝗪𝗵𝑆2123@gmail.com. First name, last name, and email. Click on next step. And 𝗪𝗵𝘆 is from India, and this is the address. This is the second address. This is the city. Okay, state of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, now we have to enter the phone number. So we have entered the phone number. Okay, some details has been altered now. So the city has become Sao Paulo. Okay, how about we change it as Brazil? Sao Paulo is in Brazil. So, okay. Select a region. Okay. Okay, so we have entered some dummy details. That's all. Then click on next step. Then click on complete purchase. Okay, so 𝗪𝗵𝘆 has made a purchase of 149 rupees. So since Pabbly Connect is now integrated with PayKickstart, let's see has it captured the data or not. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. Okay, so it is showing the data has been captured. So this is the billing address and this is the billing address too. This is the city Sao Paulo and the billing country is Brazil and we have the buyer email as 𝗪𝗵𝘆, the first name, last name. Okay, last name and the campaign ID. Okay, so basically we have got all the major details. So now we have to sync in this detail to Agile CRM to create a contact. So to do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, let's make it as Agile CRM. Agile CRM. Now in the action event, how about we make it as create a contact. Now create a contact is an action event. There are many action events like add score to contact, add tag to contact, add note, and so on. However, just like the triggers, in case if you don't find the action event of your choice, you can ask us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a contact in Agile CRM. So just click on connect with Agile CRM. Okay, so now in the new credentials, we have 3 blanks to fill. Okay, the first blank is of a login email, then we have to enter the API key, and then we have to enter the domain. So how about we start with the domain? So domain is basically this part. Okay, your this characters from http / from this characters to dot. Okay, do not include the dot, do not include Agile CRM, just the domain. Okay, so this is the domain. So now we have to enter the login email. This is my login email, admin@pabbly.com. So this is my login email and now we have to enter the API key. So to get the API key, let's go back to Agile CRM, go to profile and here you will find admin settings. Click on admin settings. Okay, so on the left side you will find the option developers and API. Okay, at the left bottom you will find, at the near left bottom you will find developers and API. Click this. So this is the API key you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so all the details has been entered. Just click on save. So when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks are very simple. We are going to create a contact from the data that we have received from PayKickstart. Okay, so before we sync in the data that we have received from PayKickstart, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so to sync in the data, we have to map in the details. So this can be done with the help of this button. This is called as the mapping button. Click this and enter the name. Okay, so name is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 and the last name is O'Reilly. Okay, now we have to map in the email. Okay, so this is the email. Now we have the phone number. Do we have the phone number? Okay, yes, we have got the phone number. We don't have to add any tag or something. No need for that. Then we can add the address, Volleyball Street. Then also we can add the city. Okay, city is Sao Paulo. Okay, state is okay, PI. I don't know what is PI, but it is one of the states in Brazil. So be it. Zip code or the postal code or something, anything. Should be giving postal code. Postal code. Let me scroll down. You will find the postal code somewhere here. Shipping code. Okay, shipping zip. Okay. Now we have the country as Brazil, I think. Okay. Okay, so most of the details has been entered. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been given to Agile CRM. So let's see in the contacts. So I'm going to click on contacts. Okay. Okay, so let me refresh this. Yes, we have a contact called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 Okay, so the presence of this contact in in Agile CRM shows that we have successfully integrated PayKickstart to Agile CRM with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if the integration is working fine or not. So let us go to Pabbly Connect and let me show you the whole gist of the process first, and then we will go and make one more dummy transaction. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Agile CRM. So now there is a perfect flow of data between PayKickstart and Agile CRM. Okay, so let's go to PayKickstart and let me copy this checkout URL. Let me paste this checkout URL. Enter this in a new tab, and we are going to fill in the details. Okay, so this time the name is Noora, and the last name is 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, 𝗪𝗵𝘆123@gmail.com. Then click on next step. Okay, so how about we go with Cameroon? 𝗪𝗵𝘆 is from Cameroon, and I want to change the city as Westminster. Okay, the province is Southwest region 913132317. Okay, so click on next step, complete purchase. Okay, so a customer called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 has made a transaction of 149 rupees. So let's have a look in the Agile CRM whether we have a person or a contact called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆. So I'm refreshing this. Yes, we have a contact called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆. So these are the details of 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Excellent. So this means the integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a transaction happens in PayKickstart, it will be reflected as a contact in Agile CRM because of Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.